Hi boys and girls, this is Coach Jones. I wanted to do a little presentation on the instructions this week. There seemed to be a little bit of confusion about what to turn in and what not to turn in. So hopefully this will clear up some of that confusion. I hope that you all are doing well, and I hope you're staying safe and continue to wash those hands. All right, so this here is a new layout that our principals are having us do this week so that you can have little squares to mark off. This is called 6th grade learning activities, April 6th through April 10th. These are the learning activities for the week. There are two types of activities. They're essential and optional. The essential activities are directly connected to the standards that we are focused on during this 9 weeks. The optional activities are ideas to support your learning and engagement and may or may not be completed. Remember to always click turn in on all of the assignments once they are completed. Okay, so I will also down here, when you click on this, you'll actually see the link that I'm recording this on now. So pre-AP students, this week you're going to be working on fraction, decimal, and percent review of conversions. Remember we did conversions back in unit 2 or 3, but this is just a review so that you can do percent application. Now I'm not going to go through all the lessons, but what I do want you to know is that you need to be doing everything that is essential. Okay, so on the left hand side, these are all your essential, and you need to do them in order. Mrs. Ullman has worked very hard to put these in order for you, and so that you will get the practice you need and the order that you need. This is not to skip around. Please, please, please make sure you watch the instructional videos. Sometimes the instructional videos will be a YouTube video of maybe a North Point teacher, or maybe of Khan Academy, or maybe sometimes even me. Or I actually don't think Miss Ullman is going to be able to be doing any of the videos, so that will be coming from my end over here in my house. So you're going to continue to do the essential activities all the way down on the left hand side. She has left explicit instructions for you to do. Everything is labeled. When there is a key, that is definitely not something we want you to turn in. These are practice, okay? None of these are to be turned in actual activities to us. We just can't. We have 160 students, so we're not able to check all of that. Feel free to show your parents what you've done and then check it with a key. Then there's always some practice on IXL to help you. And as we're moving on down, and that here is a review of percent, fraction, and decimal conversions. Once again, if you do have your man, you can look it up in your man, or she has also attached everything that you need here. Okay, then there is a percent application video for you to do. Please, please, please watch the video. Here are an anchor chart for you that shows examples on how to do it. Okay, this looks really long, but the reason ours looks so long is just because we have already attached everything here for you to click on so that you don't have to go in and out, in and out, in and out. So we've attached everything on here for you to click on so that you do not have to do that. The quizzes are on here. You go to this and join, and then here is the game quiz on here. Now at the very bottom it says there are 2 practice Google forms this week. Okay, so the first one is a practice quiz. Okay, you will only have one opportunity, it says, to complete it. Then the Google Forms is also a practice quiz before the Google Forms completes are posted separately on Google Classroom. Remember, do the practice quiz before the second quiz. Okay, this one here will be for a competency grade. For a completion grade. That means we'll be checking to see if you do not submit it, you will get a 0, okay? This one here is a competency grade, which is basically whatever score you get on this. This is the one that will go into the grade book, all right? So that's the left-hand side for this week. Now, on the right-hand side is your optional activities. These are just things to practice on to help you with the left-hand side essential learning. Do you have to do them? No. Would they help you with this over here before you actually get your grade? Yes. Okay. Once again, the right-hand side you do not turn in. And the only thing you're going to submit on the left-hand side is the 2 Google Forms that we talked about down here. Okay, so these 2 Google Forms. Once again, I want to reiterate, do everything in order. She has gone to a lot of hard work like I have on the level lesson plans so that the lesson is gradual. You're getting your instruction, you're getting your practice, and then we're checking to see for your understanding. I hope you all are doing well. I hope this little instruction video will help you. Once again, please, please, please watch this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I hope you are trying to find some good family quality time while you are out. Sometimes I get to see some of you out on when I'm out walking my dogs. So if you see me, wave hi from 6 feet away. If not, I hope y'all are doing well, and we miss you guys terribly. Bye.